Hello, everyone. Let's talk about a groundbreaking technology that's reshaping the computing world: quantum computing. It's still developing, but it's already making waves with its incredible potential. So, what is quantum computing? Unlike regular computers that use bits, ones, and zeros, quantum computers use qubits. Here's the cool part: qubits can represent both 1 and 0 at the same time through a property called superposition. Add another principle, entanglement, where qubits are interconnected, and you get a system capable of solving problems exponentially faster than today's supercomputers. But why is this so important? Quantum computing could solve problems we thought were impossible. For example, number 1, healthcare. Imagine simulating complex molecules to create a new drugs faster. Number 2, cybersecurity. Developing a quantum encryption that's virtually unhackable. 3, artificial intelligence. Accelerating AI systems to make better decisions in real time. Leading companies like IBM, Google, and others are already achieving milestones. For example, Google's quantum computer, Sycamore, performed a calculation in 200 seconds that would take a classical supercomputer 10,000 years. Now, it's not all smooth sailing. Quantum computing faces challenges like error correction and making the system stable enough for everyday use. But the progress is promising. Quantum computing isn't just a technological marvel, it's the future. And while it's still evolving, its potential to transform industries and solve global challenges is unmatched. For watching. If you found this topic fascinating, don't forget to like and share, and see you next time.